Yeah. Yeah. Pines and mountain rocks around this place. Open land and nature's embrace. A wraparound porch beneath the sky, where quiet days and wild dreams lie. High ceiling, let the sunlight flow. Wood stove glowing with a cozy glow. Open living where the good times start. Updated kitchen, the heart of the heart. Primary suite, peaceful and wide. Treehouse dreams beneath the evening sky. Stars come alive as the day rolls by.
Hi, I'm Lenny Sharp, leader of the Sharp Mountain Homes team of eXp Realty. We're here in the communities just outside Yosemite National Park, and our specialty is helping short-term rental or Airbnb investors invest in our area and build their portfolio of high-performing, cash-flowing properties. So how do we help you? Well, there's a variety of ways, and we have many tools. We also have a 57-page investor guide, which gives you all the tips, tricks, and key information, valuable nuggets that will help you select the area and select the home that can generate maximum profitability. Our latest resource is our Yosemite STR Deal Finder. This is an app that we built on Base 44 based on AirDNA data. We literally licensed all the data for all the Airbnbs in the Yosemite area, and in fact the northern and southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and provide great investment opportunities for you, the investor. You'll see the listing down below. That's the homes.com listing with all the key information about the listing, as well as the photos, etc. Along with that, we're going to then take a tour of the property and give you those tips and tricks as we walk the property so you can make the very best investment decision possible. If you're thinking about an STR in our area, reach out to me or any of the members on my team. You can see our contact information on my website, sharpmountainhomes.com, and give us your information, download the investor guide, and use that as the foundation for your search. We look forward to meeting you, showing you properties, and starting you on your Yosemite area STR investing adventure. Thank you very much. We are at 36919 Deer Path Circle in Coarsegold. And when I say Coarsegold, you do get this side of Deadwood. Nice neighborhood, but you are not far from Oakhurst. In fact, I clocked it and it's 7 minutes to the Vons. Beautiful home. I'm gonna just point out this. We've got parking there. That's gonna be for one suite. And we're gonna have parking up there for the second suite, and I'll kind of walk through that strategy for our sub-listings. So, enter, nice big entry, beautiful PebbleTech floor, which actually works really well for a mountain Airbnb. They're using this room as a media room, so cool space. Very comfy, so kind of the second living area, the main living area, and then we'll head over to the bedroom wing. We've got the full bath, counters, surround, everything looks fantastic. PebbleTech throughout. We've got bedroom 1 here. As you can see, plenty of room for a king bed there, as well as in bedroom 2. Although you might want to maybe think about a couple of bunk beds in there. And then over here, we've got the primary, which, like I said, you could either use this door here and utilize this outdoor space for the primary suite as a separate unit, or you could punch an entry door in there, put your smart lock there, and make that maybe a little bit better entry. Privacy screen goes here, outdoor area for the whole house there. Not quite sure what that's all about, but that's kind of a cool place to hang out. And again, beautiful landscaping, rocks against this hillside. And then, like I said, if you wanted to do the other entrance, then you could just punch a hole in either that corner or that corner. Huge bathroom, walk-in closet, full shower, double vanity, and soaking tub. So that would make a fantastic separate suite, and with a little bit of work on the access, that would work well. Nice big fireplace, stacked stone with the wood burning insert, nice high ceiling, little tongue and groove pine on that, I think would add a nice touch. Around here you've got the dining area and then the access to the common outdoor area. Beautiful countertops, beautiful cabinets, nice stainless appliances, propane range, really well executed kitchen, a nice laundry room here. And then we will just peek our head in the garage and talk about what we do out here. So number one, a game room, plenty of room on this side for that. And then you see this kind of natural divider. What I would do is put a wall here, add a bathroom in this space, which creates yet another suite. And then you've got your access here. So we will run the numbers assuming sub listings for 2 one-bedroom suites. You would park on the edge of the driveway and then come around this way. So I think those will both work and will definitely improve the off-season occupancy and the overall revenue. So I think that's going to be the real unlock to make this property cash flow. But like I said, very nice house, obviously well maintained, and a few nice touches that, like I said, really give it that mountain house feel, which is important. I think the pebble tech works, and I think that the feature wall with the stacked stone works really well. So there you have it. We'll run numbers and see if this makes sense as an investment. See you next time.
Our mountain homes team.